Hi everybody, I'm Joe. Welcome to helloenglish.com. Today I will be talking about 3 words which are very similar and trip people up a lot. They are there, and there. So, these 3 words sound exactly the same. There, there. But the meaning is very different. And we can only tell the different word by their spelling. It's easy to remember which one we should use, but if you go onto any social media site or forum or network, you will see people using these words incorrectly very often. Now, that's one thing when we're using an informal social media site. But if you're writing for academic or professional purposes, you don't want to be getting these things wrong. It will make your writing look bad and your work look unprofessional. So today I will give you one rule to remember all of them. The word there, T-H-E-I-R, is always about possession. For example, let's go to their house. The word there, T-H-E-R-E, is always about a place. For example, I really like it there. And the word there, T-H-E-Y'-R-E, is always a conjunction meaning they are. For example, they're really good hosts. Let's go to their house. I really like it there. They're really good hosts. Or another one, they're over there in their car. The word there is a possessive determiner. It always means possession of an object. We use the word before a noun to show the ownership of that noun. In the case of their, it means it belongs to them. Their car means the car belongs to them. Their house, the house belongs to them. We always need to use it in front of a noun because we have to show the possession of that noun. We can't remove the noun. Usually there means it belongs to them, multiple people. But if we know it belongs to one person, but we don't know who, we can still use there. For example, somebody left their books on the table. Or, did anybody bring their car today? There is about a place. We can tell that because it contains the word here. There means any place that is not here. For example, over there. Have you been there? I really like going there. We also use there to talk about the existence of something in a place. For example, there is, there are, there was, there were. There's a mess in my house. There are lots of bags of rubbish. Last night there was a party. There were so many people. There is a contraction, meaning they are. We use it to describe people. They are really nice. They're really nice. Or we can use it in the present continuous tense to talk about what some people are doing. They're talking. They're working. I hope that lesson was helpful for you. If you have any more questions, go to the website loenglish.com and log into our student room. That's a forum where you can discuss your English learning with other students just like you. Thank you.